Hi, this is Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back today with a spring project. Today we're making these cute stuffed shamrocks. These simple stuffed shapes are an easy way to decorate your space for St. Patrick's Day and for the springtime. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And check out the blog at debsdays.com. That's where you'll find plenty of sewing and crafting projects, and it's also where you'll find a link to the written version of this project with step-by-step instructions, cutting measurements, photos, and the printable shamrock templates. And since it's a digital download pattern, you can get started on your very own stuffed shamrocks today. I've added a link in the description below this video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies, for this project you'll need fabric, fiber fill, pinking shears, and of course the printable template. First, cut out the shamrock template, then place a piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. Place another piece of fabric on top with the right side of the fabric facing up. Center the template in the middle of the fabric stack and pin it in place. Stitch the shamrock together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a space open for stuffing. Remove the paper template and use pinking shears to trim a 1/4 inch to a 1/2 inch outside the stitching line. Use the opening to stuff the shamrock with fiber fill, filling it as full as desired. It can be hard to get the stuffing down into the shamrock stem, so if you need to skip it, it's okay. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening and stitch it closed. For a neater look, retrim the opening with your pinking shears. And just like that, just that fast, we have these cute stuffed shamrocks to decorate for St. Patrick's Day, well, in any spring event. If you'd like to see more easy projects like this one, with digital patterns that you can print at home, check out the blog at debsdays.com. I've added a link in the description below this video. See you next time with another project.